Every great build begins with a moment of intent, a moment where skill meets purpose, where raw material becomes engineered possibility. At FG Technical, our strength is not only in what we build, but in who builds it. Engineers, fabricators, technicians, people who understand that precision is a mindset.
We built FG Technical on one simple belief that honesty, technical excellence, and commitment must guide every project we take on.
Advanced machinery gives us the power to deliver with accuracy, from CNC laser cutting and machining to heavy fabrication in complex assemblies. Technology enables our vision, but discipline defines the outcome. Our services span metal fabrication, structural steelworks, industrial construction, storage solutions, reverse engineering, and maintenance. Each solution is engineered, analyzed, and executed with technical clarity. Because being technically sound is not a statement here, it is our standard. Behind every successful delivery is a structured process. Design, engineer, fabricate, inspect, deliver. Every step controlled, every output certified. Safety is a responsibility we never compromise. Quality is a promise we always keep. Ethics guide every decision, ensuring trust, reliability, and long-term partnerships. Our mission is to put our clients first, delivering honest, innovative, and technically sound engineering solutions that create lasting value across industries and borders. Our vision is to be a future-ready organization, one that continuously evolves, expands into new opportunities, and shapes the future as the world advances.
We don't just build for today, we build for what next, with responsibility, capability, and confidence.
FG Technical Services, engineered by people, driven by precision, built to last.